If you're a car owner, you know how important it is to keep your vehicle's braking system functioning correctly. However, replacing brake fluid can be time-consuming and messy. Bleeding brakes is a task that nobody particularly enjoys doing. This is where brake fluid extractors come in handy. 1. Aries Vacuum Brake Fluid Bleeder. This particular brake bleeder works in conjunction with an air compressor to automatically bleed the system. There's no need to have a buddy pump the brakes, nor is there the need to manually build up vacuum pressure. Just hook it up and let it do the work for you. As if that doesn't make life easy enough, the built-in hanging hook frees up both your hands to get the job done even faster. The system also includes transparent lines allowing you to perform a visual inspection of the fluid as you work. It also features a 1-liter reservoir to capture the fluid you're pulling from the system. Since this vacuum brake bleeder relies on an air compressor to function, you'll need an air compressor for this option to work, which can be an extra expense. 2. Capri Tools Vacuum Brake Bleeder. Featuring an integrated silencer, the Capri Tools Vacuum Brake Bleeder is designed to bleed brakes quietly and efficiently. Its 40-inch silicone hose and universal rubber adapter are designed to drain most standard ABS brake systems, and it is very straightforward to use, coming fully assembled, ready to bleed brakes with no fuss and no mess. Nice design with the cap that comes off to empty it, keeps the entire tool much cleaner and stops the seals from being strained from constant opening and closing of the lid. 3. 4 Uncle's Oil Changer Vacuum Fluid Extractor. We think this vacuum brake bleeder offers the most valuable purposes to the typical gearhead. As for bleeding brakes, it can do so in 2 ways. You have the option to manually pump up vacuum pressure or hook it up to an air supply that'll do the work for you. This kind of flexibility goes a long way, considering you don't always have the option to hook up an air compressor. And because it comes with a range of attachments and uses a 6.5-liter reservoir, you can use it for extracting other fluids. This unit will serve you well when performing oil changes, changing transmission fluid, or even draining coolant. 4. HTOMT 2-in-1 Brake Bleeder Kit. This vacuum brake bleeder is easy to use on any vehicle. The system comes with a range of attachments that allow you to bleed brakes and troubleshoot multiple systems throughout the car. Of course, any bit of versatility goes a long way with such a low price tag. The operation is simple. You hook it up, squeeze the trigger, and crack the bleeder until all the air is eliminated. It's nice that this option also comes with a blow-molded case to keep the kit organized into any drawer and transport it to any vehicle. We also must mention that you can choose one of 3 colors to match your taste. 5. Phoenix Systems Brake Bleeder. Featuring patented reverse bleeding technology, the Phoenix System V5 Brake Bleed Kit allows users to perform reverse, vacuum, pressure, and bench bleeding all in one tool. This easy-to-use kit comes with clear instructions and will bleed brakes quickly and efficiently. Best brake tool I have ever purchased. I have done more brake jobs than I can count and have used manual, vacuum, and pressure brake bleed tools. I never thought I would be surprised when it comes to bleeding brakes, but this tool was amazing. 6. BILITOOLS Vacuum Brake Bleeder Kit. The Bilitu LS3L Vacuum Brake Bleeder Kit is an essential tool for any DIY mechanic or professional garage. With its one-person pneumatic brake fluid and clutch bleeding extractor tool, this kit makes it easy to bleed brake and clutch systems without the need for a second person. The kit comes with adapters and a 1L refilling bottle, making it versatile and convenient for a variety of vehicles. Its compact size and lightweight design make it easy to store and transport, while its durable materials ensure long-lasting use. Save time and money by investing in the Bilitu LS3L Vacuum Brake Bleeder Kit.